Alright, these will be the elevators here at the Courtyard by Marriott, here at Legoland, here in Winter Haven, Florida. These are Mowrey or Mowrey Elevators. Looks like this one's coming down. That one's up on 5. There's music playing down here, so I might have to cut out some wait time for you. Here comes this elevator. Interesting how this has like a sound for a forecasting chime on the outside. And here's car number 1. There's somebody in it. Nope. Go to 5. Room 5. Back down to 1, door closing, we push above the all like that. These are rather basic elevators for a Courtyard by Marriott property. Car number 1, floor indicator, certificates, Mowrey Elevator, capacity of 3,000. And these are, I believe, Dewhurst buttons. I'm not sure what kind of buttons these are. Your 1. There's your phone right there too. Back at the 5, we'll get a view from the top. You're back at 5. More of you will get a view. Got a good view right here. Watch the elevator close. This takes forever to close. Come on, any day now. There goes the elevator. And now let's enjoy a view from this window. Got a very nice view of a lake. I did not know what the name of this lake is. Over there is some resort owned by Legoland. Down there is the hotel swimming pool. Those buildings there are some apartment complex or something like that. Overall, a very nice view from the 5th floor of this hotel. Over there is a home 2 suites. And there's a housekeeping closet. We'll let her go. You can go on ahead. Get your elevator.
Okay.
I'll let her go. We'll get the other elevator. Before we do, let's get a view of the guest floor. Here's your view there. And your view from that direction. And a fire extinguisher. Alright, guess we'll go back down this elevator. And we got this elevator to ride. This one's got the rear door in the back. Buttons are over here, so let's go down to 1, and 1 door is locked. We'll carry a cavity of this elevator we're going down. Well, hard start going down. It's just like the other elevator, except this one's bigger and it has the rear door in the back. Got a door open and closed back there for the rear door. These are, I believe, Dewhurst buttons, but correct me if I'm wrong. Phone. Capacity is 3,500. Mowrey Elevator. Certificates. Car number 2, and your floor indicator. And you're back at 1. Back at the 5. here we're back at 5. Open there, you see that circuit breaker's gone bad. And now we'll end at 1. Again, I like how the door closes when you push a button. Whoa. Watch a button go out. And here we're back at 1. By the way, these certificates are flipped. This one's supposed to be for the other car, while the certificate in the other car is supposed to be for this car, because this one has a 3,500 pound capacity, while the other one has a 3,000 pound capacity. Well, anyways, these are rather basic Mowrey elevators, but they're okay elevators. Let's just go with that, since this car has a rough start going down from the 5th floor. And there goes the elevator, and that will be it.